China has made a U-turn on its COVID-19 virus prevention policies from zero COVID lockdown measures to now reopening its international borders. Not long into the new year, life in China and travel in and out of the country will gradually return to some semblance of normality. Eun-jin reports.
On December 7th, China's health authorities started removing its zero COVID lockdown policy in an effort to return to normal life. While the country is seeing large numbers of new cases every day, adjustments are being made in handling the pandemic now as an endemic. Diners are returning to restaurants and consumers returning to shopping malls.
Starting from the second half of this month, we've seen a fourfold or fivefold increase in the number of diners per day. And during the holidays, the number of restaurant goers is at 80% to 90% of the figure before the epidemic outbreak.
This comes just in time for the end of the year holidays.
Previously, we had 3,000 to 4,000 customers each weekend, but last weekend, more than 10,000 customers visited our store. I believe we're going to have booming sales during the upcoming New Year holiday, a peak season.
The Chinese National Health Commission announced on Monday that starting January 8th, China's borders will be back open for international travel, both inbound and outbound. Beijing is scrapping its 8-day quarantine for arrivals and its testing on arrival. Inbound passengers will only be required to present a negative test result obtained within 48 hours prior to boarding. And as long as passengers show no signs of illness, they will not be subject to any special restrictions or quarantine while in the country. China's water and land ports will also gradually reopen as Chinese citizens will also be allowed to go abroad. Domestic control measures for the virus will also be downgraded to the less strict Category B from the current top-level Category A. Eun-jin, Arirang News.